Hey folks, welcome back to DIY Buddy Guy. On today's fun episode, I'm going to show you how I put a plug in a 10-ply tire. 10-ply tire means it's very thick. There's a lot of material here. It's a heavy-duty tire, and pushing the plug into the tread is not an easy task. Yes, for all you keyboard warriors, I understand that I shouldn't put a plug, I should put a patch, but considering the situation, time, what have you, a plug got me back on the road, and it was a quick fix until I get back to my tire machine and put a patch on the inside. But unless you have dirt on your nails or callus on your hands, put your keyboard away. For the rest of you, the trick for putting that plug in there, after making the hole with a reaming tool, put the plug in the plug handle, right? And then you set it in the hole. And then what I did was I took this 2x4 and that block of wood, and I made a wedge, and I set it up here in the fender wall, and it made a real easy point for leverage to push that T-handle right into the tire. If you're in upstate New York and rust plagues your vehicle, like most of ours, be careful you don't put a hole in your fender. Fortunately, the truck's in good shape and I have a plastic fender liner. But really easy trick, just some simple leverage, put a board on there, push it in, you're done. Thanks for watching.